Okay, making a vagina breakfast, part 3. Look at all my neat little stuff. Aw, isn't that cute? Salt and pepper shaker. Yeah. Aw, don't you love that wallpaper? Nice. Ugly, ugly. Aw, hey. Italian man. Look at my pink flamingo collection. That was my boo-boos, my grandma. And look, potatoes are getting done. Ooh, fattening is all get out. Look, here's my refrigerator. This will probably freak you out, cat. Look at all my peeps. There's my Lucy, my Marnie, my Joy. Aw, there's my nieces Brittany and Bria. All my family. There's another Lucy. Look, Mundo. It's my postcard. Ta-da! There's Alexia. Look, it's Gina. Oh, isn't she cool? Oh, look at my little girls and my little boys. Good morning. I'm my best friend Celeste. My sister. Oh, there's Lucy.